The Budgie Nine got out of their tight spot on Thursday with the Sepang Sessions Court dismissing a public nuisance charge after addressing down by Judge Harith Shah Muhammad Yassin and one of them fainting in court. The 9 Australians had an apology read out in court after pleading guilty and admitting to an error in judgment over their actions during the recently held Malaysian F1 GP.
The charges are struck out. There is no conviction recorded, so they are clean in terms of their record. They can come into this country anytime they want.
The group, which made headlines worldwide, had stripped down to swimming trunks emblazoned with the Jalur Gemilang. Shafi'i explained today what blew the incident out of the water was the media reporting that the men were clad in underwear, not swim shorts.
But I think it started off because people thought it was an underwear. So they thought, how dare they wear our Malaysian flag for an underwear? But it is not an underwear. It is a swim trunk. That was the start of all the problems.
The men, all in their 20s, were dubbed the Budgie Nine by Australian media, a reference to their Speedo-style swimsuits known colloquially down under as budgie smugglers. One of them, Jack Walker, is an advisor to Aussie Defence Minister Christopher Pyne. Walker's father was outside court today, having flown to Malaysia to support his son.
How do you think they're going to be able to return to life back in Australia with all the publicity that's played out?
I don't know, but I think Australians are good people. They don't judge people by trial by the media, and the facts are the facts, and the result is the result.
After all of this, do you think they did anything wrong?
Well, they clearly offended the Malaysians, so they did something wrong. One has to respect the culture.
Following the verdict, Twitter was ablaze with many slamming the Budgie Nine for their boorish behaviour abroad, despite their comfortable upbringing. Many Australians took to social media to express their disbelief and embarrassment at the group's antics. Meanwhile, outside the courthouse earlier, Shafi'i read out their apology.
We are remorseful of our actions on that day. We had no idea that our conduct would be deemed to be inappropriate, crass, or even downright offensive to the citizens of this country. Please know that we do not have the slightest of intention to undermine or degrade the dignity of the Jalur Gemilang, this country or her people. Please understand that our actions were purely an oversight on our part, which stem from our lack of knowledge of the cultural and national sensitivities of the people in Malaysia.